Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Indiamart to Shopify. So first is head over to admin.shopify.com and of course, log into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to Chrome webstore.google.com, and from here, we're just going to search for an extension called Robo Importer or Robo Product Importer. Just click on this, and we're just going to add this extension to our Google Chrome. And from here, we're just going to click on the extension and log into our Robo account. In another tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com, and from here, we're just going to search for Robo Product Importer, and we're just going to install this app. Just click on install. Now from here in a new tab, we're now going to head over to indiamart.com, and from here, just look for the product that you want to import. Just click on the product. So say for example, we want to take this one. And from here, we're just going to click on our extensions, then click on Robo Product Importer, and then just click on Add to Shopify. So from here, just fill in the details in the basic info section, add in description, images, then proceed to import. And from here, all you have to do is click on add product to Shopify. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!